Welcome back to the Crypto Mastermind Show, guys. I got some cool news that I want to share with y'all. I think y'all are gonna love it. Alright. So, Gemini, they've released the XRP credit card. So it says here Gemini releases XRP edition of the Gemini credit card and broadens availability of RLUSD for US customers. This is good, guys. I mean, look at it. That's awesome. You can see right there the Gemini credit card. It's got the little XRP logo on it, and they even give you cash back in XRP. This is awesome. Like, you can see the adoption that's happening. Like I said, they give you a 4% cash back in XRP. What Gemini is really trying to do is they're trying to roll out the they're trying to roll out the RLUSD, the Ripple USD, as you can see right here. Gemini is also expanding access to Ripple USD, RLUSD. It is a USD-backed stablecoin issued by Ripple that has grown to over 640 million in market cap since launch, ranking among the top 6 USD stablecoins. See what's going on here, guys? They're phasing out the XRP and the stable coins. This is what's going to add fundamental value to crypto, is these stable coins, And RLUSD is fully regulated and compliant. I think it's available to users in the United States. So all you Americans, you guys are gonna love this. You can get it if you're in the United States. The Gemini credit card. I'm just going over it. Oh, the XRP credit card's got no annual fees. I mean, this is pretty cool, man. Like, if I could get this, I would, but I can't, because I'm not in the US. And also, Gemini and Ripple, Gemini just went public and Ripple gave Gemini $75 million line of credit. You see, just before this happened, just before they rolled out the XRP credit card. So it's very interesting, guys. These are all big moves that are happening. You know what I mean? And Gemini, I'm pretty sure is a Ripple partner, so if I'm not wrong. And you can see right here, if I show you, like the biggest banks, the Ripple banks that are all in on this. Societe Generale, that's a Ripple partner right there. You know what I mean? And this is only the start, guys. Like, you know what I mean? I'll show you some other news. So I was talking about the spot XRP ETFs. Yeah, that's gonna be coming soon, guys. Like in the near future, like probably in like a month or so, I think. So these XRP ETFs, they're gonna drive up XRP's value big time. This is just only one of the catalysts, but it's still gonna drive up the XRP price. Gonna add like billions of dollars to the XRP ecosystem. So you can see here like the Grayscale XRP Trust, Bitwise XRP Fund. So these are all the ETFs that are coming out right here. Canary XRP ETF. So basically they've got it amended to the S1 filing. And you don't need much to drive the value up. Like XRP can easily double the end of this year in value just from these XRP inflows. You know what I mean? It's looking pretty good. Also another catalyst for XRP. Alright, this is a fundamental, guys. You gotta look at the tokenization. The XRP now, they got about 301 million in tokenized assets. Yeah. So it's already within the top 10. And I firmly believe that it's going to climb up well past Ethereum. You know, they're using Ethereum now, but I don't think it's going to last too long because Ethereum's a pile of garbage. So it says here, right here, 305 million in RWA. That means real world assets. I mean, this is a good little website you could use, you know, get a bit of information. As you can see here, like how much they've tokenized. So, what, in less than a year, they went from 5 million, alright, up to, hold on, let me go up a little bit. So they went from about 5 million up to 302 million in less than a year in tokenized assets, XRP ledger. I firmly believe they've tokenized more assets on the XRP ledger, but you can't see it because they're using a private blockchain. But I mean, these are some of the issuers that are using the XRP ecosystem. Ondo, Arcix, yeah. Here's another one. Here's a good catalyst too. XRP price if Ripple captures 14% of Swift market share in 5 years. I think it can capture 14% of Swift market share, and I think it can do it in less than 5 years, in my opinion. XRP price could surge to $100 to $500 or more if it captures a significant share of Swift's market. Well, XRP is already, I mean, Ripple's already partnered with Swift indirectly. You know what I mean? So it's just a matter of time. Ripple CEO Brett Garlinghouse believes XRP could capture 14% of Swift's market share within 5 years, potentially driving significant price growth. Yeah, I believe that too, but I think it'll happen earlier. It ain't gonna take up until 2030. Like, it'll probably happen like within a couple of years. I think it's just been conservative. I mean, this can definitely drive up the value of XRP big time, you know, because trillions of dollars flow through the Swift system. There you see right here, capturing 14% of Swift's 5 trillion daily volume would require substantial XRP adoption. So, I mean, it's definitely going to drive up the value of XRP big time. Because, like I said, it says right there, Swift has like $5 trillion daily volume. Even if it doesn't capture all of it, I mean, it still drive up the price of it big time. It even says right here, even 1% of Swift's volume, 50 billion daily, could push XRP price to $35.80, assuming sufficient liquidity. Oh, I don't do more than 1%. The Swift system is so outdated, like it's not even funny. Like, they need XRP big time, you know. And I can't really think of any other cryptos that does high value payment transfers, that does cross-border payments. I can't think of any other crypto that does large wholesale cross-border payments other than XRP. You know what I mean? And maybe HBAR. But I mean, this is massive, guys. Like, you know what I mean? Right? I mean, it's gonna take time, but we will get there. Anyway, I'm gonna end the show there, guys. It's Crypto Mastermind out.